Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo.
You got it. Okay. I want to start with Nvidia, NVDA. Their shares have been down more than 1.5%. And this is what's happening. A filing is showing that Peter Thiel's hedge fund, Thiel Macro, it sold off its holdings in Nvidia during the third quarter. And how much are we talking? We'll get to the numbers. Offloaded its entire position, 537,742 shares. It would have been worth about $100 million based on the closing price from September 30th. Its main bets are now Apple, Microsoft, and a reduced stake in Tesla. But it's really the timing of all this, right? Rising concerns about the AI bubble, investment bubble. SoftBank also announced that it sold off its shares of Nvidia. So that has people concerned, and the shares are lower this morning. Aside from that, we have Alphabet, ticker GOOGL. I know. Here we go. So their shares have been up as much as 5% before the bell. They're actually the biggest gainer of the Mag 7 tech stocks this morning. The reason why, you talked about it. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway took a stake in the company last quarter. A filing shows it acquired 17.9 million shares. A side note, Berkshire also further trimmed its holdings in Bank of America and Apple. But to get back to Alphabet, other news giving kind of the shares a boost. Google announced plans to invest $40 billion in 3 new Texas data centers, boosting AI computing power. I was talking a lot of AI this morning, and usually every morning. And finally, news multimedia company EW Scripps. Okay, it's ticker SSP.
Interesting.
Up as much as 23%.
Wow.
So Sinclair took an 8.2% stake in the company as part of this potential merger strategy. They're apparently been talking about it for months. They estimate the strategy will result in more than $300 million annual synergies. But they say the board's going to protect the company.
Paul, it's one big industry roll-up is what we're talking about, right?
Yeah, this is TV station business there, and Sinclair's one of the largest, along with Nexstar. And Sinclair's been a big supporter of President Trump, and they're expecting that support will translate into some favorable treatment of some more consolidation in the TV business.
I don't know. It's just ongoing. I was absolutely dazzled this weekend at the whole streaming thing.
Yeah.
At home. I mean, it's just the choices.
Yeah, absolutely.
That you have.
And you got to be smart to figure out where things are. I mean, they're all over the place.
I'm frustrated by it.
When it comes to sports, especially.
Yes, I got to Google where is this game.
One more idea for us here?
Okay, quick one. Yeah. Sealed Air, SEE.
Oh, yeah.
Down as much as 3%. So CD&R, they agreed to buy. It's the bubble wrap creator,
It's Clayton,
right? Sealed
Dubilier
Air.
and Rice.
Thank you. Clayton, Dubilier and Rice.
Yep.
It's a deal valuing the packaging company $6.2 billion. Bubble wrap. In case you didn't know how it started, okay, the engineers actually did this new wall covering. It was like laminated 2 plastic sheets with bubbles. It failed. People didn't like it. So they said, hey, we can use this for something else, for packaging.
So Sealed Air, all the bubble wrap stuff.
And so we sit there and pop the bubbles on Christmas morning. Yes.
It's so soothing. I have to tell you.
Do you have a closet with bubble wrap that you're going to use someday?
Just in case when I'm stressed out, you grab it and you just pop away.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.